How to get the Jump King Achievement Plus icon easy in Geometry Dash 2.2. So that icon or that wall is easy to unlock, but you have to make sure that you have reached this number of jump times in order for you to unlock this feature. So what does it look like when you go to this icon right here and tap this? This is what we call the Jump King. So how are we going to achieve this one or unlock this one? First, you have to go to search and then type jump farm. Once done, click search and you will see here a game, jump farmer, tap view. Now to play, by just holding down, you'll get roughly 110,000 jumps per 8 minutes. So you will see here that after 8 minutes, you will complete this level and play again another levels. So just keep playing, and after multiple attempts, you will get this jump king, and that's it. All you have to do is to keep on playing until you reach the trumps that is needed in order for you to get the trump king here in Geometry Dash. So when you go back and then go to this section right here, you will see that this icon is already achieved. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next videos.